Dapat habang lumalaon, tumatakbo ang panahon, lalong lumalalim at tumitibay ang inyong pagsasama.
And this could be good. It's already better than that. And nothing's worse than knowing you're holding back. I could be all that you need if you let me try. You said it again, my heart's in motion. Every word feels like a shooting star. I'm at the edge of my emotions, watching the shadows burning in the dark. And I'm in love. And I'm terrified for the first time and the last time in my own league. I only said it 'cause I mean it. Oh, I only mean it 'cause it's true.
Sana po, no, ang samahang ito, huwag kumupas. Maong lang ang kumukupas. Ang samahan dapat lumalalim at tumitibay. Kaya umasa kayo, Mary Ann at Benji, na kayo ay aming ipagdadasal.
Again, my heart's in motion. Every word feels like a shooting star. Watching the shadows burning in the dark. And I am in love. And I'm terrified for the first time and the last time in my own league. In my own
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you.
Mga lalaki, ibigin ninyo ang inyong mga asawa, gaya ng pag-ibig ni Kristo sa simbahan. Inihandog niya ang kanyang buhay para rito.
Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away what's standing in front
palad ang bawat tao sa Panginoon ay may takot. Ang maalab na adhikay sumusunod sa kaniyang utos. Hindi siya nakukulang sa anumang kailangan. Ang buhay ay maligaya at uunlad ang kaniyang buhay.
For 1,000 more. One step closer. One step closer. I've died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000.
Dahil dito, iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama't ina at magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa at sila ay magiging isa. Kaya't hindi na sila dalawa, kundi isa. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao.
I may have run out of songs to sing. I may have run out of words to say. All that I want you to know is what I feel for you. I love you as endless as forever. Our love will stay together. You're all I need to be with forevermore. There are times when I just want to look at your face with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in a cold night. I just can't believe that you were mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore.
Ito po ay mga saksi, witnesses sa sumpaan na gagawin nila Benji at Mary Ann. Sumpaan na sila'y magmamahalan, hindi lamang po sa loob ng 5 taon, hindi lamang po sa loob ng 10 taon. Ito po'y sumpaan na panghabang buhay. So we pray for our beloved Mary Ann and Benji. They may be faithful to their commitment, to their vow that they are doing today in front of God and in front of the church. Mary Ann at Benji, inihiling ko ngayon na ipahayag ninyo ng buong katapatan ang inyong damdamin sa isa't isa. Mary Ann, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Benji na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Benji, bukal ba sa iyong loob ng iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Mary Ann na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Nakahanda ba kayong gumanap sa inyong pananagutan sa simbahan at sa bayan na umaasang inyong aarugain ang mga supling na ipagkakaloob ng poong may kapal upang sila inyong palakihin bilang mabubuting mamamayang Kristiyano?
Opo, Father.
Opo, Father.
Mary Ann, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Benji na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Father.
Nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father.
Benji, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Mary Ann na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang asawa?
Opo, Father.
Nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father. Ama namin, sumasalangit. Kami po ay loobin.
Pagkaisa
ng
kalooban at tandaan
mula ngayon sa kaginhawaan at kahirapan, sa karamdaman at kalusugan, sa lahat ng araw ng aming
Bilang tagapagpatunay ng simbahan, pinagtitibay ko at binabasbasan ang pagtataling puso na iyong pinagtipan sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo.
Amen.
Mary Ann, kailanman ay hindi kita pagtataksilan. Isuot mo at pakaingatan ang singsing na ito na siyang sangla ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo.
Benji, kailanman ay hindi kita pagtataksilan. Isuot mo at pakaingatan ang singsing na ito na siyang sangla ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo.
Mary Ann, kailanman ay hindi kita pababayaan. Inalalaga ko sa iyo itong mga aras na tanda ng aking pagpapahalaga at paggalinga sa kapakanan mo at ng ating magiging anak. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo.
Tinatanggap ko ito at nangangako ako maging iyong katuwang sa wastong paggamit at pangangasiwa ng ating kabuhayan.
Palakpakan po natin ang bagong kasal, Benji at Mary Ann.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, shall I stay? Would it be a sin? Oh, if I can't help falling in love with you. my whole life too. Oh, for I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Won't take my hand, take my whole life too.
At kayong lahat na nagtitipon dito ngayon ay pagpalainawa ng makapangyarihan Diyos, Ama at Anak at Espiritu Santo.
Amen.
You may now kiss the bride.
Oh, for I can't help falling in love with you.
You're a falling star, you're the getaway car, you're the line in the sand when I go too far. You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it cold, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything. You're a carousel, you're a wishing well, and you light me up when you ring my bell. You're a mystery, you're from outer space, you're every minute of my everyday. And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, I will see it through, and you know that's what our love can do. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything.
Malakas kumain? Bride or groom? Ang mas malakas kumain ay si Benj. Sino ang mas mahilig matulog? Ang lahat ng answer ng groom ay kukunin na po ng mga coordinators natin. Thank you so much po. Sino ang mas masipag maglinis ng bahay? Ang lahat po ng nag-answer ng bride will stay. Lahat ng nag-answer ng groom ay kukunin na po ng mga coordinators natin from SOFAM. Sino ang mas mahilig magbasa? And the correct answer is groom. Maraming salamat po. Sino ang mas business-minded? Table number 9, I'm sorry, pero kukunin na po siya ng coordinators natin. Lahat po na nag-answer ng bride, will stay po sa ating next trivia. Sino ang mahilig magluto? And lahat sila ang answer nila ay bride. Lahat po kayo ay tama. Sino ang mas madalas magsabi ng I love you? Tama na naman po kayong lahat. Congratulations! Sino ang madalas umutot? Thank you so much dito sa mga nag-answer sa right side ko ng bride. Kukunin na po namin ang placards nyo. Sino ang music lover? Sino ang mas mahilig sa music? Mamaya-maya, malalaman po natin yan with our lovely couple, Benj and Mean.
Do you hear me? I'm talking to you. Across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my, baby, I'm trying.
Boy, I hear you in my dreams. I feel you whisper across the sea. I keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again.
They don't know how long
it takes waiting for a love like this.
every time
We say goodbye. I wish we had one more kiss. I'll wait for you. I promise you I will. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again.
Let us all give a bigger round of applause for Mr. and Mrs. Benj and Man Castillo!
The sea to an island where we'll meet. You'll hear the music, feel the air. Who knows how long I've loved you? Do you know I love you still? Will I wait a lonely lifetime? If you want me to, I will. For if I ever saw you, I didn't catch your name, but it never really mattered. I will always feel the same. Love you forever and forever. Love you with all my heart. Love you whenever we're together. Love you when we're apart. And when at last I find you, your song will fill the air. Sing it loud so I can hear you. Make it easy to be near you. For the things you do endear you to me. Oh, you know I will. I will.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own.
And the correct answer is...
Ako.
si Benji. At ang sumagot ng Benji ay table number 10. Congratulations, table number 10.
Almighty Father, source of all goodness and love, you give us opportunity to celebrate life to the fullest. Today, we celebrate the total and permanent union of heart, mind, body, and soul in the wedding of Benji and Mayan. May you bless them, give them more blessings as they begin a new life of being husband and wife. This we ask through our Lord Jesus Christ. Amen.
Oh, it is love from the first time I set my eyes upon yours, thinking, oh, is it love? It's been hardly a moment and you are already missed. There is still a bit of your skin that I've yet to have kissed. Oh, say please do not go, but you know, oh, you know that I must. Oh, say I love you so, but you know, oh, you know you can trust. We'll be holding hands once again. All our broken plans I will mend, and I will hold you tight so you know it is love from the first time I pressed my hand into yours, thinking, oh, is it love? It's been hardly 3 days yet, long to feel your embrace. There are several days yet until I could see your sweet face. Oh, say, wouldn't you like to be older and married with me? Oh, say, wouldn't it be nice to know right now that we'll be someday holding hands in the end. All our broken plans will bend, and I will kiss you soft so you know
It is love from the first time I pressed my lips against yours, thinking, oh, is it love? Oh, your heart may long for a love that is more near. So when I'm gone, these words will be here to ease every fear and dry up every tear and make it very clear. I kiss you and I know it is love from the first time I press my.
If this love I got to know somehow, I can't get you out of my mind, 'cause I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love with you. Every single day, every single night, every single moment of my life, want to spend and more with you. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love with you. Just tell me that you care. Tell me please. Tell me that you also feel the way that I do.
Congrats na lang sa inyo. Then, best wishes. So, to all, please raise your glass. Then, here's your success. Everyone say success! Cheers!
Kuya Benji, welcome sa family. Tapos, congrats sa inyong dalawa. Yun lang, best wishes. Congrats. Magmahalan pa kayo lalo. Alagaan mo sana lagi ang ate ko.
Epi. I have a pen. I have an apple. Apple pen. I have a pen. I have pineapple. Pineapple pen. Apple pen. Pineapple pen. Apple pen. Pineapple pen. Apple pen. Apple pen. Apple pen. Apple pen. Apple pineapple. Apple pen. Pineapple, apple pen. Pineapple. 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 Pineapple, apple. Run the track! Run the track! Run the track! Run the track! Run the track!
All the girls on the block knocking at my door. Wanna know what it is, make the boys want more. Is your lover playing on your side? Said he loves you, but he ain't got time. Here's the answer. Come and get it, and a knockdown prize. Full of honey, just to make him sweet. So ballin', just to help him see what he's been missing. So come and get it while you still got time. Get your boy on his knees and repeat after me. Say, take a sip of my secret potion. I'll make you fall in love. First love that can't be broken. One drop should be enough. Oh, you've been up to my one and only, all my life. Take me on a date, I deserve a bait. And don't forget the flowers every anniversary. Cause if you treat me right, I'll be the perfect wife. Buying groceries, buying what you need. You got that 9 to 5, but baby, so do I. So don't be thinking I'll be home and making up the past. I never learned to cook, but I can write a hook. Sing along with me, sing along with me. Hey, you gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only all my life. Dear future husband, if you wanna get that special loving, tell me I'm beautiful each and every night. Wanna know what it is, make the boys want more. Now you're better to me. All the girls on the block knocking at my door. I got the recipe. Wanna know what it is, make the boys want more. Now you're better to me. Take a sip from a secret potion, I'll make you fall in love. For a spell that can be broken, one drop should be enough. Boy, you belong to me. I got the recipe, and it's cold, and it's cold, and it's cold black magic. Take a sip from a secret potion, one taste and you'll be mine. It's a spell that can't be broken, it'll keep you up all night. Boy, you belong to me. I got the recipe, and it's cold black magic.
I was sitting in a field of pine trees, coaxing the words from the earth and the dirt. I sort of mused, but the words just wouldn't come. It's been a while since I saw you at New Year, holding your breath, your eyes upon the second hand. The way you looked is still vivid to me. You're something out of a dream, messing with my head. And I've been looking for you. Are you hiding? 'Cause I like the way you're calling to me. You stand upon me. You're something out of a dream. And I like it, though I fight it. It took a while for the medicine to sink and blow out the fog and remove all the cobwebs. Now I'm clear, I can hear myself think straight. I'm on the road with my clothes in a rucksack over my shoulder, following the whispers. People ask me where I'm going in such haste, and I say, my girl's a switchblade, a bright light on the cityscape. Wherever she goes, I'm gonna chase. You're something out of a dream, messing with my head. And I've been looking for you. Are you hiding? 'Cause I like the way you're calling to me. You stand upon me. You're something out of a dream. And I like it, though I fight it. Oh.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat, lalo na po sa ating bagong kasal. To you, Benz and Mayan, alam ko na nasa mga face ninyo yung tunay na kayo'y nagmamahalan. So, lagi niyong iingatan yung love na yan sa isa't isa. Always trust each other, no? Yung first year ay alam ko yun ay discoveries ng isa't isa. Though matagal na kayo, pero sabi nga marami pa rin kayong hindi nadidiscover habang, sabi nga pag nagsama na sa isang bubong, maraming discoveries. So yung mahalin ninyo yung weaknesses na matutuklasan ninyo sa isa't isa. And then lagi kayong magmamahalan at ilalagay nyo sa sentro ng inyong pagmamahalan ang Diyos. Kasi siya yung tunay na gagabay hanggang sa forever. So, best wishes at magmahalan kayo habang buhay.
Benji and Mayan, ang abilin ko lang sa inyong dalawa, kayo ay isa na ngayon, kailangan ang tiwala sa isa't isa at humingi kayo ng gracias Panginoon, tapos kailangan nyo sa bawat sandali ang gabay sa banal na Espiritu. Iyon ang magpapatunay sa inyo at hindi maghihiwalay kung may gabay kayo palagi sa Panginoon. Sana intindihin nyo yan at kailangan ilagay niyo sa puso sa isa't isa. Yan ang bilin ko sa inyo dahil malayo-layo pa ang uwian namin.
Kung mawawalan kayo ng pera, huwag kayong iinit ang ulo sa isa't isa. Pipilitin ninyo maging magaan at pilitin niyong humana para kayo ay magkameron ng pera. Walang iinit ang ulo at lalong hindi sasalta. Yun lamang ang message ko. Benji, huwag mong pababayaanan si Mian at ikaw naman Mian, huwag mo rin pababayaanan si Benji. At katulad ng aking ginagawa sa iyong ninang, hindi ko siya pinababayaanan kaya ako'y mahal na mahal niya. At yun lamang ang message ko at sana ay sa gabing ito ay matagumpay ang inyong celebration ng kasal. Okay, yun lang po.
Ninang Maring Brucal. We also have here from Tita Dulce Bakay. Dear Benji and Mary Ann, may you have a happy married life. God bless you. Love, Ninang Mary. 10,000 pesos. From Tita Dulce Bakay and family, congratulations Benji and Mary Ann. 5,000 from Tita Dulce. Mean and Benj, congratulations and best wishes. From Aina, Heidi, Makin, Juves, Silo, Justin, Alain, and Rem. 4,000 pesos. Congratulations, Man and Benj. Best wishes. From Tito Ben, Tita Naomi and Brian Bakay. From DP and Mabel, 2,000. From Tito Ben, Tita Naomi, and Brian, 4,000. To Mr. and Mrs. Benji Castillo, congratulations and best wishes. From Tito Jose, Tita Marsing, and family, 1,000 pesos. To Marianne and Benji, congratulations and best wishes. From Tito Berling and Tita Donnie, 1,000 pesos. Mean and Benji, congratulations and best wishes from Kay and Aaron. 1,000 pesos. To Ate Mean, Kuya Benji Castillo, best wishes from Joy Bagos. 1,000 pesos. To Benji, Mary Ann, congratulations and best wishes from Tito Joe, Virgie Bakay. 4,000 pesos. From Kuya Glenn, Ate Judy, Mishi, Bakay. 1,000 pesos. Congratulations and best wishes, Benji and Mary Ann from Tita Elsa Capuno. 1,000 pesos. To Mean and Benji, congratulations and best wishes from Kuya Jason and Ate Aimee. 1,000. 15,021 pesos from Ninong Ardo and Ninang Feli. As of now, sila may pinakamalaki. Palakpakan naman po natin. Mary Ann Cahayon, best wishes on your special day. Ma'am Nitz, Barcelona. 1,020 pesos. Benji and Mary Ann, congratulations. God bless from Ninang Ben, Ninang Maylene Marasigan. 1,500 from Kuya Mike and Ate Annalie. 11,000 from Ninang Ben, Ninang Maylene Marasigan. Congratulations and best wishes to our newlyweds, Mary Ann and Benji, from Tio Greg and Tia Rose. 2,000 pesos. 1,000 pesos from Val and Ching Robles. 7,150 pesos from Ninong and Ninang Lito Sol Ramos. 1,000 pesos from Tito Nemi, Tita Pinay, Jack and family. Love, Tio Doming and Tia Mila Abante. 1,000 pesos. From Mrs. Bautista, 1,000 pesos. From Charlene Tusi, 1,000 pesos. 1,000 pesos from Kuya Ted, Gigi, Kids, and Abante. Love, Ate Grace Abante. 2,000 pesos. Love, Kuya Paul Joan. 1,000 pesos. From Tess Kids, Kuya Bimp, 1,000 pesos. To Kuya Benji and Ate Mean, best wishes from Maymay. 1,000 pesos. 18,000! That's from Ninong and Ninang Dionisio Antenor and family. Congratulations and best wishes to the both of you from Ninong and Ninang Aimee, Delphine, and family. 5,000 pesos.
Magandang gabi po! Ayan, busog pala. Pag busog, gusto nang matulog. Una sa lahat, buong puso pa ako nagpasalamat sa Panginoon. Dahil mula nung plinano ni Benji at saka ni Mean ang event na ito o araw na to, isang taon, parang sandali lang po at ito na po tayo. Sa pagpaplano, sa paghahanda, marami pong pagsubok. Pero dahil nandyan si God sa pagpaplanong iyon, wala pong makakapigil nun. So ito na po tayo. Sa anak ko, si Benji, mahal na mahal ka namin, anak. Alam mo yon. Pasensya na kung minsan makulit ako sa paghahandang ito. Kung minsan masama ang loob ko, alam mo, ramdam mo yon. Pero hindi mo pinalaki yon. Dahil alam mo naman na lahat na gusto ninyong mga anak namin ay suportado kami. Dahil mahal ko nga kayo. Sa kay Mean, welcome po sa Pamilya Castillo. Alam mo naman po, kwento na po yan ni Benji, kung ano po ang ugali ko. So alam ko na nakuha mo naman. Dahil si Mian, pag alam niyang medyo nainis ako, mabait yan, tahimik lang yan. Tapos nag-uusap sila ni Benji, maya-maya okay na. Ganon naman kami maglambingan na mag-anak. Ako ang medyo stricto sa kanila. Kasi gusto ko maging matagumpay sila balang araw. Ang hamon ko nga sa kanila noon pa, kikwento ko. Si Benji, nung nag-aral, sabi ko, ang swerte nasa kamay, dalawang kamay mo. Yan ay pagyamanin mo, balang araw, pag nagkapamilya ka, sa inyo yan, hindi yan sa amin. So nagawa niya. So salamat anak. Nung siya ay mangligaw kay Mian, nagpaalam siya sa akin, Mama, gusto ko na manligaw. Sige anak, tapos ka na. So naligaw hanggang naging mag-girlfriend sila. Hanggang sa umabot sa panahon na si Mian ay mag-aaral, ang sabi ko, pangalagaan mo si Mian. Dahil hindi madali magpaaral ng anak. At ang magulang ay parang ako din yon, gustong magkaroon ng anak na may pinag-aralan. So pinalagaan niya hanggang nakatapos si Mian. Nung makatapos at nakapag-board, ang sabi ko, huwag mo munang asawahin. Pagbigyan mo muna si Mian na magtrabaho nang makabawi naman yung magulang sa gastusin. Tama po ba? O, para sa akin, tama yon. So, iyon. Hanggang sa nagpaalam silang magpakasal. So, wala naman po kaming problema dahil ang magulang ni Mian, alam kong mahal nila ang anak ko. So, pareho kaming nagmamahal kay Benji at kay Mian. Kaya yun ang mensahe ko sa kanila, laging magmamahalan, maging madasalin, para pag nagkaroon na kayo ng anak, yun din ang ipamana mo sa kanila. Kanina nga nasa simbahan, may mensahe sa sarili ko. Ngayon, itong paghahanda, puyatan. Sana sa sunod na pagpupuyat, maghiheli na kami ng apo. Dahil wala pa kaming apo. Tama ba? Gusto ko yon. Para mayroon na kaming apo. Kami wala pa kaming apo.
Yun na yun? Ako naman? Ako talaga, una sa lahat, natuwa talaga ako na nagkatuluyan silang dalawa ng Lord. Mabait si Mian. Mabait si Mian eh. Mabait din si Benji. Pareha silang dalawa. Pero sa lahat talaga, ang masasabi ko lang sa kanilang dalawa, na mag-unawaan sila. Parang kami rin, kahit mag-aaway man, nagbabatian pa rin. Gusto ko na magsama sila ng maluwag. Gusto ko magsama sila ng masaya, hindi sila nahirapan. At aabot sila sa hantong na katulad natin, tumatanda, nagsama-sama pa rin. Habang buhay. Di naman ang gusto nating lahat, magsama ng habang panahon. Dahil kung sino man sa atin, tayo, makita natin na naghihiwalay, nasasaktan tayo. Siguro, parang John yun. Nasasaktan tayo pare, di ba? Hangad namin sa inyong dalawa. Ito sa puntong ito, dumating ito, kami po ay nanalangin na sana sa habang buhay makita namin ng mga apo. Kung magka-apo pa kayo, magka-anak pa si Benji, si Mian, masaya kami. Pero awan ko, di ko apalam si Benji kung makabuo. Pero, pray natin yan. Siyempre, nandyan si Lord. Natural, naniwala tayo na magkaroon ka. Kasi wala kaming apo. Hindi balis pa rin John, may apo na. Kami wala pa eh. Kaya, pray namin yan. Kaya, tapusin ko na, sana ang lahat ay makamta natin. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo.
Gandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una po ay nagpapasalamat po ako sa Panginoon at ito pong pagdiriwang na ito ay lubos pong naganap ng masaya, nakakatuwa po at nagpapasalamat po kami ng maraming sa lahat pong umaten at nag-effort para po makarating dito. So, thank you po sa inyong lahat. Benji, welcome ka sa aming family at sana ma-welcome mo rin kami. Yan. Nagpapasalamat kami. Benji, ang makukuha ko lamang ay hindi madali ang buhay may asawa. Hangad ko lang na kayo ay maging maligaya, masaya, saka andun yung pag-uunawaan. Kumbaga, lahat ng sa buhay may asawa, hindi nawawala yung pagsubok, yung mga trials. Dapat lang ninyong lutasin yung, kumbaga, huwag ninyong pabayaan na magtagal. Kumbaga, bago kayo matulog, dapat pag-usapan ninyo. At lagi ninyong gawing ang Panginoon ang sentro ng inyong pagsasama. Yun lang. At magiging maligaya at maganda ang inyong buhay. Huwag lang nyong babaliwalain ang Panginoon lang.
Hello. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat, sa mga umattend sa kasal ng aking anak, sa aking manugang. Maraming salamat sa inyo, sa aking baysan, sa mga kanyang mga kamag-anak, sa aking mga kamag-anak, yung mga ibang tao na dumating dito. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Hindi ko napapakahabaan ang sasabihin dahil nasabi na nila. Mahirap namang ulitin uli. May sabi paulit-ulit. Basta masabi ko lang, Benji, Mary Ann, sana magsama kayo ng habang buhay. Basta sabi ko nga sa inyo, ikaw Benji, welcome sa aming pamilya. Alam, kilala kita, mabait kang bata. Kaya sana mamahalin mo si Mary Ann. Dahil mahal namin yan. Ikaw naman, Mary Ann, ay mahalin mo din si Benji. Dahil ikaw, Benji, anak na rin namin. At baysan, si Mary Ann, parang anak na rin niyo yan. Kaya, Benji, welcome ka sa aming pamilya. Basta, yun na lang. Basta ang inyong gampanan nyo yung tungkulin bilang mag-asawa at bigyan nyo ng magandang kinabukasan ang inyong magiging anak. At huwag nyo kakalimutan na tumawag kay God. Yun ang ating number 1 na dapat gawin. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat sa inyo.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Wala naman po kaming ibang nararamdaman ngayon, kundi kasiyahan at pasasalamat po sa inyo pong lahat at sa lahat ng tumulong sa aming kasal. Hindi ho, ngayon ko lang ho naranasan na makaranas ng mula ho nung nagsimula kami mag-prepare hanggang ngayon, katakot-takot na, umasa ho kami sa katakot-takot na kabutihan ng ibang tao. At dahil po doon, naging matagumpay yung kasal namin. At para naman po sa hiling sa amin ng mga magulang namin na magsama kami ng masaya at tumagal yung pagsasama namin at mamuhay ng maayos. Hindi na ho, kahit pa paano ho, may idea na po kami dahil naging mga mabuting magulang po kayo sa amin, kayo mama, papa, at nay at daddy. Kayo po yung unang-una naming halimbawa sa pagbubuo namin ng pamilya. At yun, sa pinakamalaking pasasalamat din ho namin sa Panginoon dahil nararamdaman ho namin yung guidance niya sa amin sa kahit na may mga yung mga setback, may mga hindi inaasahang pangyayari, nagkakaroon po ng paraan na maayos. At naramdaman po namin din yung guidance ni Lord sa amin.
Thank you po sa lahat po na mga pumunta dito ngayon. Sobrang saya po talaga namin kasi yung mga importanteng tao sa buhay namin ay nakapunta. Sa family po ni Benji, Castillo na po ako. Thank you po sa pagmamahal niyo po. Pinaramdam niyo naman po yun sa akin. At yun po sa mga galing pa po sa Cebu, sa Cagayan, po, sa Bohol. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo po. Yun po, nakilala ko rin po kayo. Tapos sa parents ko, sa family ko, maraming salamat po. Ayun, yung nagpaalam kami, sinuportahan niyo kami sa desisyon namin. Yung pong mga kamag-anak po namin na nandito po lahat, natutuwa po ako kasi kompleto po magkakapatid po na nanay ko, na daddy ko, mga relatives po, taga Mindoro, taga Manila. Maraming salamat po. Ang mga kaibigan po namin, hello, salamat sa inyong lahat. And yun, sa mga suppliers namin, thank you sa Tops Catering, sa SoFem, kay Luisa, kay Janet, RGM, and sa Nice Print, thank you po. Kay Ate Gabi, Makeup Artist, thank you. And yung mga sponsors namin. Si Jerry sa photo booth, thank you. And Shot and Roll, yung love story namin, sila po yung gumawa doon. Salamat, Maakun, Mabel, and DP. Ano ba? Si Beverly sa aming bridal car. And sa cake, sa yung laki-laki ng cake namin, thank you, Budeng. Jessan, thank you sa surprise nyo. Talagang kahit ngalayo kayo, pinaramdam nyo pa rin talaga sa akin. Love mo. Tsaka talagang kanina ka lang dumating. Umuwi ka pa talaga dito. Salamat. Caterer, sa masarap na pagkain. Thank you. Sa inyo po lahat, maraming salamat po.
Oh my love, let me be your fire. We're 1,000 miles up and I'm about to get higher. Feel my heart beating out my chest. You're the only prayer I need to make me feel blessed. Singing, oh, 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 oh. Rest your head like it was made of stone next to my